As a reward for yesterday's performance, Niamh and Diana were given the day off by Nick and Dylan. Now the remaining contestants have one last chance to show that they deserve the MasterChef apron.
It's very hard to verbalise how much you want it because it's such a strong feeling, but I have my apron with my name on it, and I'm not letting go.
Yeah, I've got faith in my own ability. I'm a good cook, and I don't really want to go home.
We're going to have to cook out of our skins to keep our aprons today. Pressure's really on.
Based on a wealth of Irish national classics, we want you to enhance and refine a dish that shows us what Ireland means to you.
A country's national cuisine showcases its culture and tradition. At the end of today, 2 of you will be going home.
With their place in the competition at stake, 8 amateur cooks now have 90 minutes to prove themselves to Nick and Dylan.
From the start, I've always said I need to just do what I do as best I can. And if it's not good enough, the only person I can blame is myself.
Hi, Charlie.
Hello, how are you?
How you feeling?
Good, yeah. I'm doing carrageen moss pudding, like an Irish panna cotta, really.
Oh, so it's a panna cotta?
So it's a milk pudding, yes.
OK, so you're making a panna cotta, and then rather than using gelatin, you're setting it with
carrageen.
Which, of course, is native to Ireland.
It comes dried,
Yep.
and that just gives off a natural setting age. Because it's a natural product, there is a little bit of a margin for error with how it's going to set.
Cool. OK, good luck.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thanks, Charlie. It seems achievable.
I'm hoping that carrageen sets well for him, that it doesn't underset it or overset it.
Hi, Nick. So, tell us.
Yeah, it's going to be a braised Irish stew.
It's quite the challenge, eh? Is it going to be ready?
I think so, yeah.
OK, cool.
There's a huge amount of work to be done, but that's what I want to push myself here.
What's in the stew?
The lamb cut, it's just going to have some onion, some leek, some garlic, some shallots.
OK, well, we'll leave it to it.
I have a funny feeling that we're in for a treat.
Yeah, and I think he's pushing himself, which is fair enough, because we have seen some brilliance there.
Yeah.
At this stage in MasterChef, you have to make life difficult for yourself. There should be a fine line between success and failure. You've got 90 minutes, and I think it's important you spend every minute of them just working as hard as you can.
Really do want to move forward in the competition and really try and learn. I just need to believe in myself, stay focused, and hopefully I can.
Are you getting on all right?
Right, and I'm going to do like a deconstructed kind of version of a coddle.
Sounds cool.
OK, so you're putting your own twist on it. OK, well, it'll be very interesting to see that.
I'm doing venison sausages.
Good. Why have you chose venison, Sonia?
Just to try and reinvent it.
Yeah, cool.
And I'm serving it with tripe.
Nice, yeah.
So,
tripe?
Tripe. Dip it in egg and then breadcrumbs, then deep fry it quickly.
Brilliant. In strips? Or
yeah,
strips?
little strips,
Brilliant.
yeah.
Sounds gorgeous. She's not only giving us coddle, she knows that the coddle is all soft, and she's given us an extra crunchy texture.
Yeah.
She's thought it through.
She's thought it through, yeah, exactly.
The cooking side of things, it sort of gets out of control. And part of my personality is I just get absorbed in these projects, and it just spirals and it gets bigger and bigger and bigger.
How are you?
Busy.
I can see that.
Right, so tell us, Hugh.
I'm going to do like a modern version of apple crumble. Basically a deconstruction. So what I'm doing is take 3 different apples with 3 different properties.
So you're using cooking apples?
Yes, no, that's going to be a compote mixed with cream and put into a caramel tube.
Wow.
And then I'm going to pan fry
Braeburn?
some of these Braeburn apples, but I'm going to just pan fry those as little balls. I'm also doing a Granny Smith sorbet. Then I'm doing a browned butter powder. I'm also doing a custard. I've got an oatmeal ice cream going there. It's like ice cream porridge and a granola.
The list goes on.
Yeah.
Well, you need all the time you can get, so we're going to leave you to it.
Thank you.
Thanks, Hugh.
Thanks.
She's very confident. She's very sure. If this falls down, then it comes across as over-ambition without the talent.
Yeah.
If he executes it, he's going to show us what a serious contender he is. So for me, he makes today very interesting.
Hopefully, they'll see that I have a good feel for ingredients and that I can produce a good dish under pressure.
Hello.
So what are you doing?
I am making my take on tea and tart.
Explain that.
I am making a tea-infused ice cream. So I'm making it with tea and Jameson whiskey, which my house was never without growing up. Then I'm making kind of a more refined apple tart. So I'm doing very thin layers of puff pastry. When you put the fork on it, it should kind of crack under the weight of the fork, hopefully. And some caramelised apple.
Sounds lovely.
Yeah,
Sounds
I hope
really
so.
nice. Yeah. Nick will love this.
No, actually,
You like desserts?
I do know that. I got a sweet tooth.
That works well for me.
Good luck.
Thank you.
I love the sound of the whiskey and tea ice cream. I love the sound of it.
It's impressive.
Really impressive. At 30 minutes in, she got an hour left.
For me, this is huge, being on MasterChef. Even if I don't go much further, I hope that this will teach me to put myself out there a bit more in the rest of my life.
So tell me, what Irish dish are you doing today?
I'm doing cider braised rabbit legs with rabbit loin wrapped in streaky bacon and an apple and hazelnut kind of crumble.
Sounds delicious.
Sounds lovely, Mark.
Hopefully it will be.
You've chosen two parts of the rabbit. One is the loin
Yeah.
and the leg. So you're going to cook them differently, of course, then, yeah?
Yeah.
OK. The leg is braised.
The leg is braised, yeah.
Let's see. Wow.
Wow, beautiful.
So it's flavoured with juniper berries,
Right.
thyme, bay
Right.
leaf, some apple cider, and then some root veg.
Good man.
Thanks very much.
In terms of the competition, so long as I do the best that I can, I'll be happy. And whenever that finishes, then that's fine with me.
You're cooking a fry for us today.
Yeah, it's my
Posh
take.
fry.
Yeah. So I'm just going to try get my custards into the oven. An egg custard infused with bacon. So you get the bacon and egg with the pudding crumble on top. Take the sausage apart and kind of crisp up little bits. And then I'm making soda bread to make toast on the side. So you kind of have the main elements of a fry, but it's kind of posh
OK.
bread.
Well, it sounds very interesting and very Irish, so well done.
Thanks, Emil.
Thanks. Okay, guys, an hour is gone. You have half an hour left.
When I cook, I just like to cook the food really well. I just like that. My passion, I guess, to come out on the plate.
Hey, Rich, how are you?
Grand, yeah. Today I'm going to do a roast rack of Wexford lamb.
Yep.
I'm going to do a slight take on champ. And instead of bacon and cabbage, I'm doing cabbage, pancetta, and chorizo tartlet with red wine and rosemary reduction.
Wow, there's quite a lot there, isn't there?
Yeah, I've tried it at home
Yep.
a million times. The
Okay.
flavours work really well.
You're going to concentrate on seasoning today?
Yep.
Tasting everything, yes?
Yep, happy with that.
Good luck, Rich.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is going to make or break Richard today. Yeah. Richard is one of those people who really has to pull it off today, in my opinion.
No, completely.